Vamos de nuevo. ¡Empieza la tormenta!
Hello everyone, this is me and Tony here.
Empieza la
For
tormenta
kids.
de nuevo.
There's a storm right here in Freeway. If you see a tree, there's a tree over there, so you better be careful to not hit in there. And please, if you're in the car, get in any area for it to be safe. At 7:30 p.m., it's going to have a drop to 0 vibrate. Pull aside, stay alive when vibrate drop. Pull far off the road and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights off and keep your foot of braking and fart and freight and those with repeating issues in your to take personally. So please be safe in here. There's thunderstorm over here and there's raining. You see? If you could see, there's thunderstorm here. There's tornado of dirt. So if you're right here, sorry about my dad. If you're here in Freeway, you can get any areas in this side or that side. Turn off all the lights. Turn off the things you're in right. And be safe. The nature is fascinating. The nature is so fascinating. Nature is so fascinating. Thank you for watching me. There's still more in here. Be safe, everyone. Thank you for watching this kid show. Thank you for everything. Bye.